I have so many things to show you guys today. This is just one bag of many. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start off this large ass haul with Bealls. Bealls pulled out all the bells and whistles for this one. Okay, starting off, I got this adorable Steve Madden bag. I absolutely love the size of this, the shape of it, and most of all the color. So I did get this to wear in the fall because I didn't have any fall themed purses. So I thought that this would be perfect. It does have your standard big strap here that is actually removable, and you can just wear it like this, or it has a tinier strap here, so you can wear it either way. This was $29.99. and I just love it. It opens up and looks like this on the inside. So I love this. It comes with a little coin purse as well. Okay. I have never seen Tree Hut at Bealls or at Marshall's around me, and when I found this Tree Hut Velvet Coffee Scrub, I had to get it. I have never tried the Tree Hut body scrubs, but everybody raves about them, and I love the coffee scent, and my body wash is actually coffee as well, so this will pair well with that. I can't wait to use this. I needed some fall shoes, so I did pick up 2 pairs of shoes from Bealls. Here is the first pair. It's just these cute little booties. Here, these are perfect fall booties. The color and the fit will be perfect for fall. And these were, let's see. Oh, these are $24.99. I have to tell you how much the Tree Hut was, and that is $5.99. My second pair of shoes are these booties. And I fell in love with these a long time ago, but I had never really just splurged on them. So I really, really love these. These will go with so many outfits, and I just love the feel of it. These were $21.99. I picked me up a pair of jeans, and these are the D jeans. These are just your standard, it says skinny bootcut jeans. But I like that they're flare, a little more flare at the end. I really like these. And these are recycled denim, made with recycled denim. The last bag from Bealls here is just some jewelry. The first thing here is this bracelet by Noor. There's the brand. This was $8.99, and I really loved the style of this bracelet. I just love it. I cannot wait to wear it. This is a pack of necklaces. I think this is only actually one necklace. It does have that layered effect on it, which I really, really enjoy. I needed something more boho, more western. So I think that this is perfect. Don't mind I am missing a nail. I actually broke it off in Marshall's today, and it hurts so bad. Anyway, this right here set was $8.99. I picked up these adorable earrings, and I think that these would actually go with the outfit that I'm wearing now. I didn't have many fall accessories, so I needed some fall accessories and some shoes. So I did pick up these, and these do come in like little layers, but this is one earring. Adorable. This was $5.99. I think that is a steal for this. Last but not least from Bealls is this pack of claw clips. I think that's what you call them. It's by Twig and Arrow, and these are just adorable, perfect for fall. And these were $5.99. Okay, I thought that was the last from Bealls, but I actually have another bag left, so I'm going to show you now. I got this. This is a foot soak, and it's already popping out of the packaging, so here it is. It's huge. It's huge, but I needed one because I've been soaking my feet in a bucket. This is amazing because look at this. This comes with a bucket that has little massagers in there, manual massagers, and it comes with a stand as well, so you can make it taller or you can put it on the floor, and it collapses. It does have a 3-gallon capacity, and this was $14.99, so I think that was a steal for this. Okay, this is definitely the last product from Bealls. I got this finishing, if I can speak today, you guys. I got this Finishing Touch Flawless Cleanse Spa Spinning Spa Brush. That is a mouthful. There's what it looks like. I got it to clean my back with. I love a good back scrub, and I'm excited to use this. First off is this hat. And this hat is by Morgan & Taylor. It was $12.99. Let's just try it on here. This is actually the back. I thought that that was the front, but it's the back. I think that this hat is adorable. I've never been a hat person. I've never even tried to wear a hat other than when I worked at Pizza Hut, and that didn't go so well. But this hat is adorable. It is really, really good quality as well, and I think it's just perfect for the fall. I am actually going to take some fall pictures with my husband with me wearing this hat and a cute outfit, which I have plenty back here by Bloom Chic. But yeah, the first purchase is this hat. I absolutely love it. Then I have this big old bag here, and I'm excited to show you guys what I have in this bag. I needed some new house slippers, and I saw these. I tried them on, and I fell in love with these. These are the Jessica Simpson house slippers. And these were $9.99. They are so soft. I do like mine to be oversized. That's why I got the extra large 9 to 10, because of my feet, they swell sometimes, and I would like to be able to fit in these when my feet swell. I did buy 2 more pairs of shoes. Sue me. I got these shoes by Jones New York, and I've never heard of that brand before, but I needed some dress shoes because I had discovered today that I do not have any dress shoes. So initially I went there for those those rhinestone flip-flops or those rhinestone sandals, but it's fall time and they had none of those out, so I had to go with what they had, and these are what they had. For dress shoes, which I think these are absolutely adorable. I tried these on and I really like them, and I like the flexibility of these as well. These were $29.99. I found these in the kids section, these next pair that I'm going to be showing you. I found it in the kids section, and thank God that I know my shoe size in kid size, which is a size 5. I'm a size 5 in girls. So I found these Uggs. These were $24.99, you guys. I have been on the hunt for these for a very, very, very long time, and they had them in the kids section. So you best believe I set my ass down and I tried these on, and what do you know? They fit me perfectly with some room to spare. So yes, I finally got my hands on them. They did have a black pair there, but they was a size, I think, 4, so they would have been too small for me. But I did snag these. I have been needing a mixing plate for my concealer and even some liquid eyeshadows that I have. So I've been seeing a few people on TikTok actually hauling this, and I saw it at the Marshalls that I went to, and they had it, so I grabbed it. This was $7.99. This is, let's see, a 5-piece artist detail brush and mixing palette set. I did buy some skincare. I needed some more eye patches because I was completely out of under eye patches. So I found these. These are the Gold Snail Hydrogel eye patches. They look like on the inside. Snail. Everything is snail, right? Keeping on the snail trend, I did get quite a bit of skincare here. I got the Black Snail Repair Toner. I got this Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream. And I got the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence as well. Then I got me some cookie cutters in the shape of pumpkins. The reason that I got this is because me and my husband, we make our baby's treats, our dog treats, homemade, and I wanted to give her some pumpkin shaped treats. So I really got it for the small one here because we make about 22 treats at a time, so they can be fresh. That will do her for about a week or two. But yeah, I got it for the small one, but we'll use the big ones for something else. Last but certainly not least of this huge haul, I got me a portable fabric steamer. Yes, I have a big floor standing steamer, the Rowenta, the huge Mama Jamma, but I do not feel like getting it out of storage and bringing it into my room here for my Bloom Chic clothing here. So I bought me this specifically for my Bloom Chic clothing and my clothing hauls for you guys. So this was only $14.99. That's not bad at all. I think. Okay, you guys, if you liked this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you in my next video.